Hello, y'all. Welcome back to Just Geneva. All right, so I ordered some sea moss gel from the Transformation Factory. I ordered this on Monday. They sent it out on Tuesday, and I received it today, Friday, June the 18th. So it only took 3 days to get here. Oh yeah, I'm excited. This has like 92 essential vitamins and stuff in it. It's like really good for you. I thought I'd try it. I got two different flavors. I got pineapple and strawberry banana. Yeah. This is supposed to be really healthy for you, but I didn't read this box, so it says you're supposed to refrigerate upon arrival, so open immediately. It's been sitting here for a couple of hours now, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see what it's all about. Okay, so this is what is in here. They had a little, I guess, an ice pack in here. It's melted now because I left it sitting for a couple of hours. But yeah. Okay, so a little silver package. That's to help keep it cool, I guess. So, alright. It's kind of hard to get out of here, so I have to cut this on the sides. Alright, so alright, so I got the sea moss gel in mango, which I actually thought I ordered pineapple. Maybe I'm tripping, but I thought I ordered pineapple. Okay, but okay, whatever. We got mango. And I also have strawberry banana. So this one's right, but the other one I could have sworn I bought pineapple, but mine be playing tricks on me sometimes. Alright, so yeah. Got the strawberry banana and the mango flavor. Alright. Let's try these out and see what they taste like. Alright, y'all. So it also came with this little pamphlet. It says the Transformation Factory. Become the best version of yourself. Looks like it's got a sea moss vegan chocolate cake recipe in here. Yeah, that's about it. And then it says it has 11 benefits, 11 sea moss benefits that will change your life. This little page right here. And it has an Irish moss smoothie in there. I have to try that out, see what that's like. It's got a banana loaf sea moss, some keto toast, a tropical carrot crush sea moss smoothie. Okay. It's got a few little things up in here you can make. I think that's it. Alright, so little pamphlet. Alright, I think I'm gonna try the strawberry banana first. And this is the sea moss gel strawberry banana flavor. I got two 16 ounces, one of the mango and one of the strawberry banana. This is strawberry banana. It's got a recipe for a strawberry moss shake, which just contains the gel, one frozen banana, a cup of nut milk, a tablespoon of flax seeds, and agave to taste. All right, let's see. Smells like strawberry banana. Smells nice. Just take a spoonful. I've never had sea moss before. And I got the flavored ones because I was afraid it was going to be nasty. But this is good. This strawberry and banana is good. Let's try that. I'm going to have to try that strawberry banana moss shakeout. Alright. Now this is the sea moss gel mango flavor. Wipe my spoon off. It smells, I guess, like mango. Yeah. This one seems to be a little thicker, but these have been out of the refrigerator for a while, so yeah. I'm gonna have to hurry up and put these in the refrigerator. Got my spoon. I like the strawberry banana better, but this doesn't taste that bad. They're both, you know, they have a little sweetness to it. It's really good. They're actually both pretty good, but I like the strawberry banana better. Interesting. You can also use this for a face mask. Just leave it on for 15 minutes and then rinse. You can use it on your hair and beard. Add to smoothies, pancake batter. You can add it to teas, coffee, smoothies, oatmeal. You can use it as a thickening agent with cooking soups and sauces. So this has many uses, but I'm just gonna be probably adding this to smoothies and seeing what kind of recipes I can make with these two flavors. And then later on, I'll probably get just the original flavor and do some other recipes with that. But these right here are just gonna be for my smoothies and stuff. And I'm gonna make smoothies with these recipes. Oh, this has a mango moss shake as well. Pretty much the same thing as the strawberry banana. Just add a banana, some nut milk, and flax seeds and agave. So I will be eating these. I'm ready for the benefits to flow in because they have a lot of Okay, so this right here says that the human body is made up of 102 essential minerals, and sea moss has 92 of them. In addition, it is packed with protein, beta-carotene, B vitamins, pectin, churin, vitamin C, all essential nutrients that promote healthy body functions. So this is definitely going to be essential to me since I'm trying to be healthier. And this has 92 of the essential minerals that your body needs. So that is excellent. So I'm ready for this to do wonders with my body. Hopefully it has me more energized and stuff. I really need more energy so I can start like doing more stuff, more activities, you know, especially taking my dog for a walk. Just getting up and moving my body around even more to help me get more healthy, you know what I'm saying? So let's see how this works out. I'm gonna be probably posting up some smoothie recipes and the smoothies and stuff that I make with the sea moss gel. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified. All right, see y'all later. Peace.